Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Halsey here from SlimmandStylish.stampingup.net. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm saying goodbye to the old annual catalogue, ready to welcome in the new annual catalogue that will be coming out in May. For anyone who's shopped with me since January this year, I will be sending you a complimentary catalogue out in the post. But if you haven't shopped with me and you would like to see the new catalogue, I send them out free within the UK. So just give me a nudge and I will pop one in the post to you. But over the week, I'm going to be saying goodbye to some of my retiring favourites from the annual catalogue. So do make sure that you've subscribed to my channel and you'll be able to see a new project each day saying goodbye to some of the stamp sets that I've had over the year and thoroughly enjoyed using. There's a whole heap of stuff that's retiring, which is dead exciting for me because after having them for a year, I'm a little bit bored of a few of them now and I want some new goodies to play with. So let me have a talk to you about what is going, and then you can head over to my store, SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net, and check out the clearance. Some of these products are up to 60% off, but when they're gone, they're gone. So get there quick. The clearance sale is on for a month, but like I said, once they're gone, they're gone. Okay, one of the things that's the big talking point about the new catalogue is that we're having a colour refresh. This is quite exciting for me. One of my favouriteest ever colours is coming back and a few of the other colours are going. So what I'm going to do before I start this project is talk you through which colours are staying and which colours are going. And then as soon as I've done that, I'm going to start on saying goodbye to a stamp set and I'll create a card using it. And I'm going to bring a different video to you each day. So heading to the colour section of the annual catalogue, let me tell you what's going. So the 2021-2023 in colours, let me talk in colours to you. We have 5 new in colours come every year and they last for 2 years. So these ones here came 2 years ago and now they are retiring. And the ones to the left of it, they come last year and they'll have them for another year. What's great about this is Fresh Freesia, which is this end one, which was my favourite in colour, is actually staying in the colour refresh and is going to become a core colour. So we're saying goodbye to Polished Pink, Pale Papaya, Evening Evergreen and Soft Succulent, but we're keeping Fresh Freesia. Over in the Brights collection, we're saying goodbye to Mango Melody, goodbye to Bermuda Bay and goodbye to Pacific Point. Now I am a little bit upset about Mango Melody and Bermuda Bay because they were my 2 favourite colours. They're the only 2 colours that are going that I'm genuinely upset about. The others, I can't wait to see the replacements. Over in the Neutrals collection, we're getting rid of Merry Mallow, Soft Suede and Sahara Sand, and we'll be getting 3 new colours coming to this collection. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and I will show you all of the new colours when they become available. Regal's collection, we are losing Rich Razzleberry at the very end. Rich Razzleberry. We're losing that colour at the very end. So we're just losing 1 out of that collection. The Subtles collection we're losing the most out of. So we're going to be losing 4 colours from here. We're losing Blush and Bride, So Saffron, Pear Pizzazz and Mint Macaron. So the 4 of them will be going and we'll be getting 4 new Subtles colours. Now, as I said, do pay attention to my channel as I will show you all of the new colours and projects to make with them. So today we're going to be saying goodbye to a stamp set. Now I'm going to be putting a different video out each week. It'll have this same front, but the rest of it will be a different card. So let's see which of my favourite stamp sets we're saying goodbye to today. And don't forget to head over to SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net to pick up any of the retiring goodies from the catalogue. And here's today's card. This one's actually a really quick and easy one to make. Now it's slightly different to the other videos that I did the last 2 weeks showing my retiring favourites because this uses stamp sets from the MiniCatalogue. So this is retiring at the same time at the end of April. And these products are going to be going into the last chance lists. So once they're gone, they're going to be gone. So this one's using the Decorative Borders Stamp set. This one's in the MiniCatalogue, as I said. This was actually given to me free at an on-stage event. So I went to On Stage in Vienna and Stampin' Up gave us an all-attendee giveaway, and this was the giveaway. I really like it because it's decorative and it's fun and it just creates some texture to the cards. But the one annoying thing for me is it didn't come with sentiments. Well, that's not so much of a problem because I'm teaming it up with my all-time favourite stamp set that Stampin' Up have ever done, Framed Florets. I love this one. I think it's beautiful. There is absolutely no way, even though Stampin' Up are retiring it, that I'm taking it off my shelf. It's going to stay there forever. I love it. So I'm using the sentiments and the wording from that set in this card. And the next 3 days, I'm going to be using the MiniCatalogue for products and projects for you in my retiring favourites section. And believe it or not, I'm going to be using framed florets on every single card. Not even sorry, I love that stamp set. So with this one, I'm using the floral border. This is like a corner one. And I'm going round and round and round the card to create a frame. So you don't have to be neat, you don't have to be precise with this because we're going to put a card topper on it. We just want to get some detail in the background. So just create yourself a frame. You can see that mine's not particularly straight, that doesn't matter. And then I'm going to blend this in. So I'm using soft sea foam. This is the dark soft sea foam and I'm using it on the leaves. I'm not going to play with a light. This is the SU900 and I'm using it on the little buds. And then I'm using the dark petal pink on the actual floral flower pieces. I'm then coming in with the Orchid Oasis ink. Love this ink. It's so deep and so lovely. It is one of my favourite bluey purples. It's really nice. Anyway, I'm adding this onto the card, as you can see, using my blending brush. And I'm just going to keep going around and round and round with it. Now, as I said, I am going to be putting a front on this. So if you've worked out what size the front you want, you don't need to add the ink to the middle. But I hadn't worked that out at this stage. So I've added a little bit of ink so that it doesn't look mismatched or off. So for the sentiment, I'm going to be using this one here from Framed Florets. I think it's a really nice big one. Wishes for a beautiful birthday. And I'm going to cut this down to a rectangle. I'm not measuring anything. This is not precise. I'm just doing it so it will sit on the front of the card and I'm going to stick it completely flat to the card. I'm not using dimensionals or anything. I'm sticking it flat. I'm then going to add it to my card base, which is already pre-cut and pre-scored. So I'm just going to burnish it, stick this on top. And then all I need to do to finish the card is embellish it. So I'm going to be using my metallic enamel effects and I'm using the white ones just to pop a couple of little dots onto the background. Now this is great because it's a white background with a sponging on top and then I'm putting the white dots and you can see they just really pop off the page. Really quick, really simple using the decorative borders and framed florets. Don't forget they're about to go, so if you want them, get them from SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.